So we got this part right here. This came off a piece of equipment where I got the two really big transformers. This piece is heavy. I do not know what's in it. It could be heavy just because of the shell, but we're going to take this thing apart and we're going to see what's in there, and I'll find out the same time you are. Hopefully I don't get in the way too much here. Could just be wires in here. I really don't know. I don't think there's anything too great. I'm hoping for some brass. Hopefully there's brass in here. Okay. Let's see what we got. Yeah, wires and what looks like relay switches. Okay. A lot of wire. Wait, yeah, there looks like there's a little bit of something in here. Man, oh man. The zip ties. Look at all the screws in that thing. Huh. I'll tell you what. Let's get these off of here. Oh, there we go. Jeez. Oh, this was cut already. Okay, there's probably going to be some brass in here, maybe inside these switches. All right, well, we'll figure that out. Currently, it's just looking like a big piece of shred steel. From a value perspective. But we'll micro scrap it. It's pretty interesting. A lot of wires. There's a little fan down here. Kind of looks like a, I don't know, it says it's an hours. Huh. Okay, looks like the big thing is going to be wire. Oh man. something still attached. Right there. Dirty. Okay. All these clips are getting caught on everything. Oh. Okay, well, that wasn't super interesting. It's a big, heavy piece of steel. That's what that is. This might be a pretty nice piece of steel. I might go after that. Pretty thick steel, 1/8 inch maybe. It's pretty heavy. Washers, bolts, nuts. I don't know. Apparently you're supposed to keep them. I don't know. There we go. The E-stop was stopping me. Doing its job, baby. But the front of it's kind of cool. I want to save it for that reason. I don't know. Yeah, I'll have to bust these open and see what's in them. Nothing too exciting. I'll do that off camera. If I see anything interesting, I'll let you know. Hey, so does anybody know why if I hit the trigger real fast? Well, now it's doing it. Oh, right there. I don't know, it's like it doesn't work sometimes. My other one is really bad. And that's the one I like to use. Okay, so a little loud in here right now because I got the heater on. I'm gonna get these main ones off here. Just get them out of the way. So I could just go down and cut all this. I still might actually. All this is magnetic. Oh, that's not magnetic. Okay. so maybe this is all brass. Sweet. Well, here we go. Okay, rest of these, I want to check with the grinder real quick, make sure that they're brass, but I'm almost certain they are. Heck yes they are. Nice brass. Now I'm going to check to see about this. Okay, so the plate itself is brass, which is nice. The thing is, figure out how to get all those out. Okay, for that weird roll of wire, or strip of wire, 0.085. Okay, 1/4 of a pound. 1/3 of a pound, I mean, of brass. That's awesome.